Hello everyone, and in this video I will analyze Aura Review and talk about the overview, full review, anti-malware, Aura Password Manager, Aura VPN, Identify Theft Protection, mobile app, customer support, price and planning, and the conclusion. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. Overview. Aura stands as a robust antivirus option, demonstrating commendable prowess in detecting malware and providing identity theft protection specifically tailored for customers in the United States. Regrettably, it lacks features such as firewall and parent control. Furthermore, the VPN and password manager functionalities fall short when compared to the superior offering of leading antivirus software. Of greater concern, Aura refrains from engaging in independent tests conducted by A/B tests, signaling a potential drawback. The absence of this assessment leaves us without a reliable benchmark for comparative evaluation. Upon evaluation, Aura proved itself as a dependable option for safeguarding against identity theft, particularly catering to the needs of users in the United States. While it demonstrated effectiveness in detecting the majority of malware during our testing, its limitation became evident in terms of scan customization. Aura distinguished itself by adeptly monitoring facets such as bank accounts and credit reports, promptly notifying users of potentially identity risk. Despite this strength, our assessment revealed underwhelming aspects in Aura VPN and password management functionalities. Notably, it lacks essential features like a firewall and parental control, both of which are available in more cost-effective alternatives such as Norton and Bitdefender. Anti-malware. Our assessment of Aura's anti-malware capabilities revealed a commendable level of robustness, successfully detecting approximately 96% of diverse malware types, encompassing spyware and ransomware. While it provides quick, full, and custom scan, it lacks the advantage at heuristic analysis and machine learning feature that set Norton and Bitdefender apart. A notable drawback surfaced in the form of the absence of scan scheduling and logs with Aura, complicating the management of security trends and performance impact. This omission puts it at a disadvantage compared to the comprehensive offerings of most top competitors. In summary, while Aura effectively serves basic malware protection needs, there is room for enhancement in delivering a comprehensive and user-friendly package. Aura Password Manager. Exploring Aura's Password Manager revealed a rather fundamental tool. While it allows for the storage of username and passwords, its functionality remains quite basic. Unlike leading standalone options such as 1Password and Dashlane, Aura's offering lacks essential features like autofill, password sharing, biometric login, and two-factor authentication. Our evaluation of Aura's browser extension and mobile apps yielded underwhelming results, as they failed to introduce any additional feature like autofilling. In contrast, even free alternatives such as Avira's Password Manager boost greater functionality. In summary, Aura's Password Manager proves to be notably limited, falling short in both user-friendliness and the level of security we would expect. Aura VPN. We checked out Aura VPN and it's good for basic privacy and speed. It performed well in speed tests, only slowing down by 2%, making it great for 4K streamer and fast downloads. But it's missing some important stuff like choosing location and a kill switch, which top-notch VPNs usually have. It's okay for watching things in your own country, but not so great for international content. If you just want simple protection, Aura's VPN is fine, but if you want more advanced feature, you might want to check out other options. ETP, Identify Theft Protection. We took a look at Aura's identity theft protection and it's pretty great, especially if you are in the US. The dashboard is easy to use, offering a lot of services like monitoring your credit, bank, and social security. One cool thing is the insurance. It covers up to $5 million for things like lost wages and legal fees if your identity gets stolen. Plus, there are dedicated agents to help sort out any frauds issues. But keep in mind, other options like Norton offer similar protection for less money. If you are in the US and want solid identity theft protection, Aura is good, but it's worth checking out other affordable choices too. Mobile app. We tried out Aura's mobile app, and they are simple but lack some feature compared to rivals like Norton and McAfee. The antivirus scanned on Androids is decent, but didn't hit the 100% detection rates of top competitors. For iPhone users, the iOS app has minimal feature, so it might not be as appealing. Customer support. We also checked out Aura's customer support, and their phone service is great. It's available 24/7 in English, but their mail support is slow and not very helpful. They suggested calling instead of answering our question. Unlike top competitors, Aura doesn't have 24/7 live chat, and their fact section isn't as detailed. Price and planning. We dug into Aura's plans and planning, and here's the scoop. Aura provides three main plans: individual, couple, and family. Each plan comes with antivirus, VPN, and a password manager. The key differences revolve around the number of devices and people covered, along with insurance payouts for identity theft, though this feature is exclusive to the US. The individual plan is priced at $120 per year, offering basic coverage for up to 10 devices and a $1 million insurance policy. However, Norton gives you more features at a lower cost. For the couple plan, costing $216 per year, coverage extends to 20 devices and 2 people with a $2 million insurance limit. It's a generous offer, but most couples probably won't need protection on 20 devices. The family plan, priced at $348 per year, covers up to 50 devices for 5 users and provides up to $5 million in identity theft insurance. While it's pricier compared to Norton's LifeLock family plan, it does cover more devices. Aura's annual plans come with a 60-day money-back guarantee, but this isn't available for monthly subscriptions. In a nutshell, Aura's plans offer solid basic protection but can be pricey, especially if you don't need coverage for many devices. Norton and Bitdefender provide more features for less money, making them more budget-friendly choices. Conclusions. We have conducted a thorough analysis of user review across various antivirus brands, utilizing Trustpilot scores and review count. It's essential to approach these findings cautiously, as certain brands actively work to boost their ratings. We personally approach exceptionally high scores with skepticism, particularly those associated with brands like Total AV, known for their aggressive marketing and sales strategies. In our assessment, we consider scores ranging from 4 to 4.5 as indicative of good and realistic user satisfaction. Scores exceeding this range raise doubts, and lower scores suggest potential issues with the product or customer service. Notably, McAfee's scores, for instance, raise concerns in our evaluation. And there we have it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.